Outliers is the new trend, you could say, that every successful YouTube channel is using to completely explode their channel, and it is the way currently to go viral every single time. It's almost guaranteed to be able to go viral if you follow outliers properly. So I actually did this myself on my own channel. There's a video titled Proving Islam in 10 Minutes, which has 600k plus views, over 600,000. It's almost going to get 1 million views in its lifetime, right? Probably even more. And what did I do? There was this other YouTuber I found who had a similar video, and for him it was an outlier. It did incredible. It got over 60,000 views, where normally he only gets a few hundred, maybe 10 sometimes, maybe 1,000, 10,000 tops. So because that one was at least like almost a 100x outlier, maybe a 60x, 100x outlier, I knew I can do this video but even better. I'm going to replicate it, and I did, and using that as an outlier completely went viral. So what are outliers? How do you use them, and how do you put them in your channel? Video that has gone way more viral than their usual baseline viewership. So for example, if a channel normally gets 100 views or 1,000 views, and now this video that they have has given them 100,000 views, right? That's 10x if they normally get 1,000 views, or if it's getting them 1 million views and they normally only get 10,000, same thing, that's about 10x, right? So anything that is far above somebody's baseline is an outlier. Now, how can you use outliers to blow up your channel? What you want to do, you can look across any niche, any channel. You go through outliers and you just keep looking for something that you really think is incredible, right? How did this video blow up more than their normal one? What was it? Is it there something about the title, something about the thumbnail? Is it something crazy about the idea? Is it something you want to look at everything in the video, completely study it, and see if you can replicate it in your niche? There are many channels that have been doing this, and it's been exploding in the last few weeks even more than normal. So for example, recently there was someone who did a Minecraft but I have to obey the laws of Islam video. As soon as he's done that, it blew his channel up. It's almost at 3 million views now, maybe even more at the time of this recording, and everyone has been hopping on that because it was an outlier. People have done obey XYZ but it's in Islam. Someone did a TF2 version. Someone did the same Minecraft version, but instead of obeying the laws of Islam, Minecraft, but I'm obeying the laws of Hinduism. So they understood that's what went viral, and every single video that they replicated of that guy's video has gone viral. The Hinduism one, the TF2 one, and I guarantee you there are so many outliers that you could put for any single niche you're in, right? It can even be non-gaming related, and if you use it and replicate it, it's going to do incredible. Now, if you need help getting subscribers, blowing up your channel even more, links in the description. We have a school. We can get you to 1,000 subscribers, so check that out as soon as you can. Obviously, you have to make your own sort of twist. You put it in your own way, however you like, but if you just replicate what made that video viral, yours will go viral too. It's like I said, it's guaranteed views because you just have to do what's worked for them. As long as you can replicate it in your niche or make it a little bit better or twist it in your own way, that's it. It's done. It's a viral idea. It's a tested and proven method. So that is what you want to be doing to completely and consistently explode your channel again and again and again. Is successful people are just using outliers constantly to blow up their channels.